Hi baby love, for today's video is about the Peter Wandel products in the upang of baby Isabel Rose. It means the kids are walking almost every day in 4 days, every morning para sa Peter Wandel products dito sa Netherlands. And yan, sinurprise siya ng daddy ni Isabel para sa kanyang graduation. And yan, so happy family. Oh, Isabel is walking until the ceremony. And of course, also her grandmother also surprised her to see her get her medal. And look at it, oh, so very nice to see all the beautiful kids got their medals for walking the Peter Wandel products. And it's time for baby Isabel to get her medal, but she don't like it. But she love it.